Because of recession, we're going to be focusing on creating logos for food. As a designer, you should also be concentrating on what people buy the most during recession, and food is one of them. So this logo is a fun one. We're going to be creating all of it from Canva, and depending on what kind of logo you want, you can create gaps as well in there. Let's jump in and do this. www.canva.com, and you're going to create a blank logo canvas. And to make things nice and interesting for ourselves, we're going to select the canvas and we're going to change color and make it a black. Next, we're going to head over to our elements and we're going to open up lines and shapes, and we're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page. We're going to find the arch up shape and we're going to add it to our design. Change the color of that one and make it dark red, and we're going to zoom in to control the shape the way that we want, and we're going to squeeze it and make it a shape that looks like a holder for popcorn. We're going to tilt it a little bit to the side, and you're going to select it and duplicate the shape because you want all of the shapes to be even and the same size. The second one, you're going to change color. You can go for cream or you can use white, depending if you want gaps on your design when you get to Photopea or not. And then you're going to align it next to the maroon one and tilt it to the side. Go back to your first shape, duplicate that, make that one straight, move it right along, and then duplicate the cream, tilt it to the side, and then go back to the first one, duplicate that and add it to the last design and tilt it. So what you have here is a holder that you could group, and then you can start adding your popcorn to the design. So you're going to go back to our lines and shapes and you're going to go find the cloud shape, and then you just add it to the design and you start adding popcorn. You squeeze it and you start adding popcorn. So it depends on what color of popcorn you want. I'm happy with the cream, and then I start designing and adding my snack time popcorn.
I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this.
So depending on what color you want when you get to Photopea as well, we're going to duplicate one of the popcorns and we're going to change the color of that, like a beige color, and you can squeeze it to a smallish size, and you can always make it transparent so that it is like a yellow popcorny. That's one way of doing it, and you can duplicate all this across like that, or that little color you could make white so that you have your beautiful spaces when you get to Photopea. So white will always create a gap when you get to Photopea. So all of these I'm gonna duplicate and I'm gonna make white. So let's make a white, 100% white, so that it takes when we get to Photopea. Rotate it, have fun with your design. Next, we're done with the actual icon of our design. So you're going to press T for text and you're going to add the name of this business that you're designing for. I'm going to be using a Gagaline. I've always wanted to use this font because it's got spaces in there, and make the text bigger. And I'm going to change the text and make that yellow as well. And then I'm going to add lines. I'm going to press L for line and duplicate that for the other side, and then press T for text and add the tagline. I do like the idea of having popcorn as a design choice, of course. I love the idea of having this popcorn pop all the way to even below the tagline. And that's your 2D. So what you do now is you're going to go share and you're going to click on download, and you're going to download it as a transparent background. So if you want to have gaps on your design like we did on this logo, then you need to go back to Canva and add a page and add the design to your Canva, and then you can remove the background so that Canva takes off the white. Once it has uploaded, you're gonna click on edit image and you're gonna select BG remover to have the white taken off and create the gaps that we want to see, like that. And we click on apply. Cool. And then it looks like that, and it will have beautiful gaps. So this is page number 4. We're gonna go share and we're gonna download page number 4 as a transparent background, and then we're going to jump to Photopea.
Just ask.
You know that saying where they say if you don't ask, you don't get? This is me asking if you like our work and you would like us to continue creating these videos that help your journey as a designer, please consider contributing using our super thanks as one of our people that say thank you for having this channel inspire you on a continuous basis. Let's jump in on Photopea. Your next step is to visit www.photopea.com. You're going to select PSD templates. You're going to scroll and pick any mockup that you would like to use to present it to your customer. This is one of my favorites from Graphics Family. You're going to select it and you're going to click on photopea.com and the mockup will load. If you don't like the background of the chairs, especially now we're doing a snack time and you want to replace that, you can go find a background that you want to use on Canva. And if you want to learn how, go find this video that I created and it will teach you how. Then next you're going to double click on your logo here and then you hide the text that the designer has sent for us. Then we click and we drag our design that we've done on Canva. Then we size it. If you want your design to have a bigger fill on your mockup, make it big. Press Command S or Control S if you're using a Mac, and then you click on the first tab to convert it to 3D. And there's your Snackle and Pop logo. It's popping. I love it. It looks amazing. I am very happy. Then you're going to go File, Export as a PNG so that you can share it with your client or if it is your own. Then our beautiful gaps are showing there. It is Snackle and Popping. You can rename and then you click on Save. If you want a logo course, we've created one for Canva that's just for you. Visit learnwithza.com. Otherwise, you can go watch this other video that's going to teach you how to create more logos using shapes on Canva. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you on the next video.